there. I'm Michael. I work for UDHA. We run 2 rural health centers. These are health centers serving a rural community which are hard to reach. We expect to deliver about 2 mothers each day, but we cannot afford because we do not have the facilities. We expect to admit children for nutrition treatment, but we cannot afford, and we need such support. We also feel like mothers who come for antenatal care would be given ultrasound scan services, but we cannot afford to have it. And we have an opportunity to get this from Advocates for World Health, but we have a stumbling block, and we need to raise $13,500 within 1 month.